So we just finished up an awesome Red Day 2024 with Keller Williams Reston and Keller Williams Chantilly. We're here. We partnered with Inova Cancer Society and the Shar Institute. We came out here and we did a beautification project on the back half of their facility here. We did some power washing. Thank you so much to Suds Power Washing. The mulch was provided by Atlantic Coast Mortgage, Vesta Title, and then Epps Landscaping helped us with all the mulch and the landscaping piece. So thank you so much for everybody that came out, and thank you to all of our sponsors.
I also want to thank some other sponsors and the donation not here today. They are behind here, and I know they will appreciate this event. That's a good cause. And thank you, Inova and Cindy, Sarah, for letting us work in your facility.
Hardly. Enormous thank you to each and every one of you who have come out, all of the sponsors that were mentioned. This community has been extraordinarily supportive of Inova's Peterson Life with Cancer for many, many years. And this space at the Family Center here is meant to be a healing space for those impacted by cancer, patients, family members, loved ones, caregivers, children, you name it, really anyone in this community who needs a place to come and find some healing along their journey. That is exactly what this space has been designed for, and your help in beautifying this backyard, which is my favorite part of the whole building, means more than I could possibly put words to. So thank you so much on behalf of Inova Peterson Life with Cancer, truly.
Awesome. Thank you so much, everybody.
Woo! Sorry, one more thing. Since we have two important persons here, Kayla from We Will Survive Cancer, she's the one that connected us here. So thank you, Kayla.
Thank you.
And then
Thank you.
We also have Yas Media, Yasmin here. She's the vision and creation, do all the beautiful garden for us. Thank you, Yasmin.
It's beautiful.
Thank you, guys.
Thank everybody.
Thank you.
Go sell it.
Today, we are appreciate with all our heart and gratitude to work with Inova Hospital, big, beautiful healing garden. Thank you, Kayla, for connecting us to this Red Day event for Keller Williams Reston and Chantilly.
It's a beautiful day, and it's so special to be able to commit to the community and do wonderful things. And this is a beautiful, beautiful effort. Thank you.
Thank you again. We appreciate everyone that is not here. And thank you for all your sponsors, My Home, Thai Restaurant, and My Thai Restaurant, and anybody else that I didn't mention. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you.
And
thank you, Yasmin, too.
And Darkowitz Dental for all the great dental packages. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey, good afternoon, KW Reston and Chantilly. We're excited to come talk to you guys about this year's Red Day. We have partnered with Inova and their Cancer Institute at the Shar House in Fairfax, and we've also partnered with We Will Survive Cancer. We're going to show up. We have a beautification project that we're going to be doing. We're going to go help them out in their on their back patios, their decks, their flower beds. We're also going to be putting together care packages for those cancer patients that are in need. We'd love to see everybody there on
May 9th.
May 9th.
10 o'clock. Click the link below to donate and volunteer your time. We certainly appreciate you coming out, and come on out. Let's have some fun and also take care of people.
Thank you for your generosity.
See you guys.
See you later. Thank you.
Chantilly, come join us. Reston, come join us.
We appreciate any contribution we can get.
We expect to see you there.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sarah Bradley, Director of Inova Life with Cancer, and I just want to thank you for your incredible support. It is because of the generosity of this community that our specialized team of therapists, nurse navigators, acupuncturists, dietitians, fitness contractors, and many more are able to care for cancer patients and their loved ones free of charge and regardless of where they seek treatment. Thank you so much for helping us make a real difference in the lives of those touched by cancer. Thank you.
This year has been harder than ever, and our patients have needed more support than ever before. But because of you, we were there every step of the way.
Because of your support, we are able to provide supportive counseling to those in our community affected by cancer at no cost.
Sometimes words aren't enough to fully communicate or express the impact of cancer. But because of your support, I can provide art therapy services to patients and families of all ages to help them creatively express themselves beyond just words.
Because of you, I could help children and their families cope with a new cancer diagnosis and support their social and emotional needs during hospitalizations.
We can assess emotional needs from diagnosis to end of life.
Provide pre- and post-surgical education.
Provide crisis counseling when our patients need it most.
Provide comprehensive cancer education and coordination of care.
I can facilitate support groups, helping those feeling isolated on their cancer journey, foster a sense of connection, and build community, which is an invaluable resource.
Because of your support, I'm able to provide evidence-based nutrition counseling to individuals going through cancer treatment, recovery, and survivorship.
Our team can provide comprehensive, evidence-based, and compassionate emotional health care to cancer patients in our community.
I'm able to offer the emotional, physical, and spiritual support that our patients need.
We are able to support people virtually and in person with fitness class programs that support their mind and body.
Because of your generosity, I get to offer psychotherapy to patients and their families who are feeling overwhelmed by a cancer diagnosis. Your generosity is going a long way, so thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias por su apoyo.
Thank you.
My name is Gayla Bynum. I'm the founder chair of We Will Survive Cancer. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Gift and Keller Williams for including We Will Survive Cancer in the Red Day that they do every year. Red Day this year will also include Life with Cancer will be doing and volunteering to change their landscape and freshen it up. Keller Williams for your generosity in including We Will Survive Cancer this year, Inova, and Life with Cancer. Thank you.
My dad passed away from liver cancer. I know how difficult the patient and the family go through this process. Despite this, we will continue to fight against cancer. We will survive cancer, and Inova Life After Cancer Institute holds special place in my heart. As an agent leader counseling at Keller Williams Reston, I am passionate about the Late Day Healing Garden. Your contribution will go toward the Wellness Garden, the cancer care package, and directly support the patient. Thank you for your generosity, and thank you, Yas Media, for helping with this beautiful Wellness Garden. Thank you, Keller, for connecting us to the Inova Life After Cancer.